We'll guide you through how to import a CSV file in monday.com. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result. So you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, launch Google Chrome or any web browser of your choice. Once your browser is ready, go to monday.com by entering the website address into the address bar. Click Go to My Account to open the sign-in page and access your workspace. Choose the login method that you want to use. For this example, sign in with your email address. Enter your email address in the required field and verify that it is entered correctly before proceeding. Next, type your password into the password field associated with your account. After reviewing your login credentials and confirming that the information is correct, click Login to access your monday.com account. Click your profile icon in the top right corner to open your account menu. Select Import Data to begin importing information from an external file into your workspace. Choose the import source according to your needs. For this example, select Excel sheet as the import source. Select Click to Browse to open the file selection window on your computer. Choose the CSV file from your computer that you want to import. Click Open to import the selected CSV file into monday.com. Click Let's customize your new board to continue configuring how the imported data will appear in your new board. Choose the first row according to your needs so monday.com can correctly recognize the row that contains your column headers. Click Next to continue with the customization process. Choose the first column according to your needs so the imported information is organized correctly within the new board structure. Click Next to confirm your column selection and proceed with the remaining board setup. Click Create Board to generate a new board using the imported CSV data. You have now successfully imported a CSV file into monday.com.